Numerous studies have shown physical activity is essential to cognitive development, academic improvement, increased focus, and a reduction in behavior problems are all linked to an increase in physical activity. With the cutbacks in physical activity during school, after-school programs are the perfect environment to get kids moving. Unfortunately, high employee turnover, lack of direction, and minimal equipment are some key challenges facing after-school physical activity programs today. But you know what? There is a solution. We've simplified the process by creating an affordable, step-by-step lesson plan guide. This guide has lessons designed around the Skillastics Activity Kits and additional lessons that require little or no equipment. It also contains a robust section on early childhood activities. Each day begins with a character enrichment activity, focusing on character traits such as responsibility, teamwork, compassion, respect, sportsmanship, and honesty. All these traits are highlighted in our Character School Skillastics Activity Kit. After accomplishing the activity associated with the character trait of the day, instructors follow several activities outlined in the guide that equal 50 minutes of quality, moderate to vigorous physical activity. This Scholastics lesson plan guide contains over 100 lessons with more than 400 activities that span over 26 days. Why 26 days? Well, Character is Cool Scholastics contains 26 character building activities. It was also designed this way to fit into multiple areas of your program. You can follow the manual exactly for 5.5 weeks of physical activity lessons. This fits perfectly into summer programming or as a part of a rotation with other physical activity resources that you are currently using during the school year. You can refer to it throughout the year when you are highlighting a specific sport or activity, or you can refer to it frequently for a quick, instant activity. You can even use many of these activities during a family fitness engagement event. Aligned with the HEPA 2.0 National After School Association standards, the Scholastics Physical Activity Lesson Plan Guide will strengthen your program by providing a simple-to-follow guide for instructors as an innovative resource that your kids will absolutely love.